In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change frames per second in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to adjust the frame rate of a video clip inside DaVinci Resolve, the good news is that it's a very quick process once you know where to look. This can be useful if you want your footage to play back differently, or if you're trying to match the timing and motion of a clip more closely within your edit. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by going to your video clip in the timeline. Make sure you've selected the correct clip, especially if you have several pieces of footage in your project. It helps to zoom in a little on the timeline if needed, just so it's easier to click the exact clip you want to adjust. Once you've found the clip, click on it and then right-click to open the menu. This menu gives you access to several useful clip settings, and the one you're looking for here is the option called Change Clip Speed. Go ahead and click that. When the Change Clip Speed window opens, you'll see a setting for frames per second. This is the part you want to focus on. To adjust it, click and drag the value left or right. As you do that, the frames per second setting will change. This allows you to quickly increase or decrease the frame rate for that clip, depending on the result you want. As a tip, make small adjustments at first so you can better control the outcome. Larger changes can have a more noticeable effect on how the clip plays, so it's a good idea to preview the footage afterward and make sure it looks the way you expect. If something feels too fast or too unnatural, you can always reopen the same setting and fine-tune it again. And that's it. That's how you change frames per second in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your footage behaves in your timeline. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If you're following along while editing, just remember the flow. Go to the clip, right-click it, choose Change Clip Speed, and then adjust the frames per second value by dragging it left or right. With that, you'll be able to make quick frame rate changes whenever you need them in your project.